their global reach as well as the strength of company. I mean, they're a massive company, know commodities extremely well, understand cost. That's their primary focus on why they partnered with us, is because not only the efficacy of the technology, but the cost structure of it. And now tying in their ability to source feedstock for us for this second facility, as well as for our Marion facility, is just completes the supply chain and basically displaces the legacy market.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Mark Jensen. He's the CEO of American Resources Corp. And Mark, it's great to see you again. How are you?
Steve, I'm doing great. You?
Good, doing very well, thanks. Big news up in the company today, talking about ReElement and an agreement with POSCO. And this is a company that you know pretty well. You've done some work with them already.
Yeah, POSCO are awesome partners. POSCO International, I've been working with for about 2 years. I think some of their team may know our technology better than us now, based on their level of due diligence and efforts. But we've been to Korea a bunch of times. They've been here a bunch of times, and probably one of the strongest players in the magnet supply chain and building out a very, very complete supply chain here with us.
Yeah, tell me a bit about this joint venture and how it's going to work.
Yeah, so we've obviously been a supplier to them of various rare earth elements. But what this is about is fully integrating a domestic supply chain here in the United States. So the partnership and what we signed yesterday is actually for a second facility in the U.S. So our first facility is in Marion, Indiana, 16,000 metric tons, 4 times larger than any other player in the United States. Now this is adding additional capacity to the United States. So we'll be processing both MREC for the yttrium, the gadolinium, the neodymium, praseodymium, dysprosium, and terbium, as well as recycling magnets globally from their sourcing network. I mean, POSCO is such a strong company and globally out there sourcing feedstock for us, and then also investing into the magnet supply chain. So we'll build, and we're partnering with them, also going downstream with us on magnets and working together on how we further protect the United States from its adversaries.
Yeah, I want to ask you a little bit about that reach that they have, because I think that's important. Because if you were to do this on your own, the cost could be astronomical. And having a company that has all those connections right off the bat and able to do it, is that a key part of this deal as well, Mark?
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, you go to Southeast Asia. I mean, really, there's no mine in the world that can compete against the cost structure of Southeast Asia, bar none. Most of the mines here in the U.S. don't produce anything of value. They're too high cost. There, you have really attractive feedstock, and POSCO has phenomenal relationships there. I've been to Southeast Asia with them. I'll be back with them here in the next few months there. Their global reach as well as the strength of company. I mean, they're a massive company, know commodities extremely well, understand cost. That's their primary focus on why they partnered with us, is because not only the efficacy of the technology, but the cost structure of it. And now tying in their ability to source feedstock for us for this second facility, as well as for our Marion facility, is just completes the supply chain and basically displaces the legacy market.
So this will be an estimated about $200 million investment to establish all of this. And you're looking at starting about 3,000 metric tons first, but it can almost double that.
Yeah, scale. The focus is get to 6,000 based on,
Okay.
I mean, they also have a phenomenal book of business. If you look at their legacy business and their core business, I should say, they know the electrified supply chain really, really well. They already make motors and rotors and all these other things that are needed. So we can tie directly into that now and help them complete their supply chain while helping us expand our business and partnering with a great ally of South Korea.
Yeah, makes a lot of sense. Another exciting deal, Mark, that you're here to share with us, and really appreciate your time for that. And we look forward to our next conversation. Okay.
No, I think we'll be talking here shortly about a few more really, really positive relationships we have.
All right, we look forward to it. There's Mark Jensen, the CEO of American Resources Corp.